Microphones have been muted. In case you have any issue or question, please raise your hand or message us. All know the world is coping with the crisis of coronavirus pandemic. This pandemic has a significant impact on the children. In the current situation of lockdown and restricted movements, children are facing additional challenges, understand, absorb, and the change COVID-19 is bringing to lives, and how to deal with children and other stress for the parents. Today we have among us Inakshi Ganguly. Inakshi, please, could you raise your hand so people could see you? Inakshi. And Kavita from Team HUC. HUC, Center for Child Rights, is a Delhi-based NGO. It works for the rights of all children with a special focus on protection of children and creating an enabling environment for them. We really hope today's session will guide the parents to help children during this tough time. I request Inakshi to take the conversation further. Inakshi. Gurleen.
Thank you. I'm sorry, Gurleen had muted me. So I couldn't speak to all of you. I'm looking at the names. I think many of you I had met when I had come to Maja House. If I did, please raise your hands and let me know that I did. Welcome to this sort of very surreal way of talking to all of you. हम लोग पता नहीं कहाँ कहाँ बैठे हुए हैं और इस तरीके से बात करने से कैसे लगता है, अजीब सा ही महसूस होता है, पर ये शायद टाइम ही इतना अजीब सा है। सब लोग अपने अपने घरों में बंद हैं और प्रीति और मैं बात कर रहे थे तो हमें लगा कि जो कॉन्वर्सेशन हमने कुछ महीने पहले आप लोगों के साथ सम ऑफ यू के साथ शुरू किया था, उसको थोड़ा आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए, क्योंकि शायद आप लोगों को यू आर फीलिंग अ बिट स्ट्रेस्ड विद and with the way you'll have with no access to water and toilets, so then we would probably feel a little better about ourselves. I find that I'm getting a note that says my can you hear Nazi, can you hear me? Am I audible?
I can't hear you, Inakshi. I think there's some network issue.
Can you hear me? There is? Is it better?
Yeah, it is better now.
Better. Okay. Yeah. So I was saying that many of you, maybe I'm just repeating, that it seems very surreal that we should be all talking together on virtually, and I can see that we have almost 26, 27 people with us today. So clearly ये मुद्दा सबको थोड़ा थोड़ा trouble कर रहा है, because we are all locked up and we are with children, and what we have been studying, and that is why I've asked Kavita to join us. She's a clinical psychologist, and I quickly saw that there was Ruma Purkasta also online. So Ruma, I'm going to ask you to come in, and Gurleen, I will ask you to please unmute Ruma's mic, because she will be the best person to answer the questions and queries related to education on. So what we are going to do is, very quickly, I want to ask each one of you a question. We'll get into, and you will please put it down on, you can just type it in into the Zoom and we'll collect it. I just want you to answer two questions. One is, how are you feeling today about yourself in one word? And how are you feeling about the children with you in one word? You can feel exasperated, you can feel tired, you can feel energetic, you can feel loving, you can feel whatever, but I just want one word from each one of you who's online today.
So I'm getting the responses. Great, loving it, tired. The kid is happy. Confused. Depressed. Relaxed. Great.
Yeah.
Peaceful.
Yeah.
Boring. Fantastic. Good time for the family, for oneself.
So this is about how they are feeling about themselves,
Relieved,
right?
Yes, yes, yes. Relieved.
Yeah.
Anxious myself. Kid is having fun. And the little boy says that he's liking it. Helpless. Another kid says he's excited. Family time, but kids are unhappy.
I don't want what the kids are feeling. I want to know what you're feeling about your children, your relationship with your children, and having to deal with them under the circumstances.
Good bonding and learning time.
Yeah.
Bonding.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for the next response. Quality time. Quality time.
This is about how they're feeling about children, right?
Yeah, yeah. Okay. And themselves too. I feel that this is the best time to understand the children. Blessing, liking that we can spend so much time with that child.
I'm so happy to see that no one's feeling stressed.
No, no one's feeling stressed actually.
Or are we being all politically correct? We don't know who the answers are, so you can say truthfully. And if we don't say truthfully, this session will never go well.
So there's another answer. Somebody's missing the children who are in another time zone.
Yeah.
And there's a person who's resigned, so he's stressed.
Okay.
And somebody is stressed about the academics.
Academics.
Yeah. And spending time for the first time together after the child is born.
Wow.
Wow.
And there's another woman who's stressed for her child who's in Canada.
Child must be pretty big then.
Yeah.
Adult. Okay.
Adult.
Okay.
Oh, we are giving time to kids, but how can it be more fruitful? And how can we do productive things? So these are all the questions which are coming.
Okay. How can it, okay. So the questions you're writing down, right, Nazi?
Yeah.
How can it be more fruitful?
Fruitful. How can we be more productive? And somebody is writing, I'm loving spending time with my girls as I'm working and I never get to do this.
Okay.
How can I support parents and children since mine are grown and away? So Naki, let's discuss the feelings and emotions first, and then we can come down to the questions.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
So the reason that we plan to do this webinar is very, very specific. We have been reading, and you may have been reading also, that a lot of parents are unable to understand what they are feeling themselves, and therefore how to deal with their children. So there's a lot of stress and uncertainty that adults are feeling. उनको खुद में बहुत सारे डर और एग्जॉशन और अनसर्टनिटी महसूस हो रहा है अपने जॉब की वजह से, इकोनॉमिक्स की वजह से, how will the business function. And what is happening is that it may not be happening with you, but it is happening across the world, that there is a frustration that is building up. And often this frustration is translating into some level of resentment against people whom you're living with inside your family. It could be your wife, the women could be against the husband, and there is a growing amount of resentment that one is developing against one another, because often enough the women, there's a lovely video that I will share with all of you after this from Sri Lanka, where this woman, and I'm noticing that Nazi is wearing a bindi. तो उसने क्या किया है, बिंदी को एक साइड पे कर दिया है. तो सबने पूछा कि तुमने बिंदी को एक साइड पे क्यों कर दिया. कहती क्योंकि मैं ही तो सब कुछ कर रही हूँ घर में, झाड़ू पोछा कपड़ा बर्तन, और सिंक के जो बर्तन है वो कभी खत्म ही नहीं होते. So you know, the gender divide that she did not think ever existed has suddenly become so wide because there is nobody else to share that gender divide with, and that is creating a lot of pressure and tension inside of her life. So similarly, we are seeing a lot of this happening in a lot of more in the middle class lives, where people, where there was help always. Some people's helps are there, some people don't have help anymore. So the gender divides are becoming wider, and the tension between the partners is showing up in some kind of behavioral issues with the children. The children are locked up inside. They have energy. They are wanting attention. So while I'm so happy to find that so many of you are feeling relaxed and peaceful and wanting to spend finding it quality time with your children, it's a very, very wonderful feeling, and it's a great feedback, because which shows that not everybody is stressed about having to look after them, having to find ways of using the energy of the children, because diverting the energy of the children. But one has to be, why we are doing this session is because we need to be a little circumspect. थोड़ा हमेशा सोचना पड़ेगा कि कहीं हम स्लिप ना कर जाएं. तो कभी कभी गुस्सा आता है, तो गुस्सा को कैसे डील करें, बच्चों की एनर्जीज को कैसे डील करें. बच्चे आपस में लड़ रहे हैं, and I don't think many of you who have answered are not people who are very small children, because if there are very small children, they are often, because they are in close contact, they find themselves fighting. You find them fighting with each other, and then you get irritated with all that noise that is, and so it just translates into some kind of anxiety and anger. So if any of you want these questions to be addressed, please let us know, because that is what we are here to address today.
Actually, I have a few questions here. How much screen time should be allowed to the kids at this point of time?
So I'm going to ask Kavita, and I'm going to ask Ruma, who's not supposed to be a resource person, but to come in on this. So Kavita first, and Ruma ka unmute kar dijiye, please, Gurleen. I want Ruma to answer this also.
Thank you, Inakshi ma'am. On the question that you've asked, how much screen time is sufficient, I would say in a day, not more than 1.5 hours or 2. Maximum should be 2 hours. That too should be spaced, not continuous, 2 hours. But आप कौन से time पे उन्हें allow करेंगे, that has to be discussed with the children. If the children are little older, so we cannot just tell them कि ऐसा ही कर लो, कि हाँ इस time पे आप देख लो. Maybe they have a favorite channel or favorite some show is coming on a particular time and they would like to watch it. So discuss with the children, and apart from the school classes, because अभी हमारे पास और कोई choice नहीं है, because classes are only on
Online.
online
Yes.
only. So उसके अलावा for the purpose of entertainment I'm just sharing कि they should not be watching phone, TV, computer no more than 2 hours.
So कविता, मेरे पास एक और क्वेश्चन आया है, वो है कि स्क्रीन टाइम तो हम अलॉट कर देते हैं बच्चों को, पर अब बच्चे अपनी मर्जी से चलते हैं. अब ये कैसे बच्चे दे आर्ग्यू, अब उनको मनाना कैसे है? So they feel कि हम उनके अगेंस्ट जा रहे हैं, उनको ये बोल के कि आपने इतना टीवी नहीं देखना है.
So that's why I said कि अगर हम उनको बता देंगे, बोल देंगे खाली ऐसे कि आपको 1 घंटा ही देखना है या 2 घंटा ही देखना है, so they wouldn't understand. They will think कि एक तो हम कहीं बाहर नहीं जा पा रहे, ऊपर से you are imposing time on the TV. So that's why during this time, if you really want to implement that also, you have to talk to the children कि why it is important, because already you are having a screen time of 2 hours for your online classes, then another 2 hours, it adds to the 4 hours in a day completely. So 4 घंटे का screen time, how it is going to affect on their brain, on their eyes, because हम सब जानते हैं कि it is going to affect, मतलब उनका बहुत ज्यादा attention उसी पे ही रहेगा, और it also deteriorates their attention on other things also, like on reading. जब आप read करते हो कुछ तो आपको वो मन नहीं लगेगा, like book reading में है, तो वो आपको बच्चे के साथ, if the child is little older, if you can have a dialogue with the child, then you have to talk to the child कि this is what it's important, and you also have to understand कि screen time limit करना जरूरी है, और बच्चे भी समझते हैं कि screen time limit करना जरूरी है. So in that case what we can do is कि discuss with the children, this is what I am proposing, you tell us what we can do now, and we also want to restrict ourselves, and it will happen only if the parents also restrict their own screen time. So it will not go कि बच्चे 2 घंटे देखेंगे और 4 घंटे और पेरेंट्स 6 घंटे टीवी के पास में बैठे. So it will not be helpful then.
So Ruma ji is also here. So hi Ruma ji, welcome.
Hello, good to see you all.
Hello.
I think Kavita has answered most of it, but I would like to add a little bit here, saying that under these circumstances, which are actually unnatural, and we have children locked inside houses, some kind of relaxation I think we need to give the children. So it becomes a little impractical for us to say that, okay, only so much screen time, though I know that generally we say not more than 2 hours, but taking into account that they do have their online classes, I think, as Kavita pointed out the whole thing, looking at that, I think we need to work out with them what is it that they'd like to watch. And I would like to literally, ask all parents, perhaps this is the time to get our children to read.
Yes, that is another question which the parents are asking, how to make children prefer reading than watching TV.
So maybe this is the time that, look, I know it's easier said than done, but I think they need to put in a little more effort. Perhaps because as Inakshi pointed out, parents are also stretched at this point. So perhaps if we give them books that they would like to read, because sometimes as adults, we give them books that we feel they should read. We come down very heavily and say, no, don't read comics, read classics. Maybe let them read what they want to read. And then the bargaining, I know there are some parents doing that, the bargaining is happening between, all right, you read 2 stories and I'll give you 20 minutes of TV time.
Yeah, so bargaining, that I feel it's a better option.
So that was the first question, right? How much screen time?
Over to you, Inakshi.
I'll bring you all in. The second question, Nazi, was about?
The second question was that the children now, they are not used to helping the parents in the household things, household chores. Now, how to make them do that?
Now, that I thought was a very interesting question. The thing is कि हमने अपने बच्चों को बना दिया है कि काम जो है वो बाई करेगी. वो प्रॉब्लम हमारी है, प्रॉब्लम बच्चों की नहीं है.
So even for a glass of water, our children are used to this thing.
Because we have said it, na, Sita pani lao, Choto pani lao. They have children watch and imbibe what we do. So now we want to change them suddenly. तो वो caterpillar से butterfly एकदम से तो बन नहीं जाएंगे. So what we really need to do is now is the time to sit together and change the roles. This is the time to sit together and explain, we are all in this situation. How are we going to divide the responsibilities amongst ourselves? And this is a situation in which we have to do X amount of work. There are some people who are coming online. Are you, Gurleen, is that because you're putting people online? Is that because they're raising their hands?
Yes.
No, I feel I'll be taking their questions. People are sending their questions. So
No,
I
but
am
can
just
see some
noting them
people.
down and
I can see some people. There's okay. So this is the time to make this into a fun activity. And when we say what are the fun activities, not just screen time. Fun activities are not just having a game. Fun activities is not just watching a serial or a movie together. We can make household work also fun activity. So this is what I would suggest, is to how you make this into a fun activity. Firstly, this is a rest time to teach. Very good time. The coronavirus is a horrible thing, but it has given us an opportunity to actually renegotiate everything in our lives, including ourselves. It has given us an opportunity to rework, rethink how we think about every action that we do in with respect to the universe, to the nature, to everything else, and also with the way we negotiate our relationships. So this is the time to talk about responsibility, accountability, teach our children responsibility, accountability, make them less entitled than we would have otherwise done when we were so busy working and leaving the kids with to their own resources. So this is what I would say. Now I'm going to ask Kavita and Ruma to answer the same question. 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Kavita.
So what Meenakshi ma'am has said, yes, you have to make the work of the home very entertaining for the children also, not only the games and activities. So we can, what if you really want children to engage in work activities, you start with something that they like. Like I've been seeing a lot of videos with the parents and baking things like cake. They're making cake or they're making pancake or something that they interest children, something that they want to try. So like at my home, I have a 5-year-old child. He likes to make pizza. So we are letting them, put the vegetables on the pizza, grate the cheese on the pizza, so that he enjoys the cooking time with the other adults at the home. So you have to find out what are the ways or what are the things that children really like to do. Then only you'll be able to involve the children in the work at home. So you can start with baking a cake for the children, or baking a pizza if you have the material, or anything interesting or new things that the children want to eat or try at this time for the cooking. For other things, like somebody, we was talking to another group of counselors only, somebody suggested what we as a parents are doing. When you have to wash the dishes, so we are playing music with that. तो अगर म्यूजिक तेज है तो हम धीरे धीरे थोड़ा बर्तन धोएंगे. म्यूजिक अगर जैसे फास्ट होता है तो थोड़ा बर्तन धोने का स्पीड थोड़ा तेज हो जाता है. So that both children and parents both enjoy this activity also. And certain amount of things, a certain work can be distributed. Okay, I'm doing this, you can do that. At least let the children clean their own room. If not any other thing, their room, their cupboard is there. So you can, take out things and अपने हिसाब से उसको जमा सकते हैं. So that will make them a sense of वो भी हो जाएगा कि हाँ ownership कि हाँ we did it. And then you can just give a star to them कि हाँ we have done a good job today. So this can be done with children to engage them in the work.
Ruma, do you want to say anything?
So I think she's covered everything. My only point here would be that it's important for every member of the family to contribute in working.
Sure.
Because that is what children are watching. Because even if there's one member, whether we look at it as a gender bias or whatever, if there's even one member in the house who's not pitching in, then they're going to use that to say, this one doesn't work, why should I?
Right,
So
right, very true.
Fun activity, I think all members of the house must pitch in. Otherwise, I think she's answered everything.
Rumaji, I have a question for you. So there's this parent who's asking now that you talked about bargaining. So she says that she started bargaining themselves, that if you do this, then I will do this. So how to handle this kind of a situation where the child is bargaining with you?
Well, under other circumstances, I would have said don't give in, but these are unnatural circumstances. So it's like pick your battle. It doesn't harm to give in to something which is really harmless. The child feels nice that okay, she's listened to me or he's listened to me, and then maybe you can bargain for something tougher because the child is still small. He doesn't know that you've sort of bargained for something which is not so important. So while I'm not advocating that you also bargain, but sometimes it helps to give in to some of their demands. Otherwise, they are not going to listen because these are difficult times for them.
What do you have to say, Nakshiji?
I was saying that this is a time for the men to change their behavior, because this is the time when they are no longer men who are going out to earn and coming back into the house. वो जो एक division of role था ना कि मर्द बाहर जाते हैं औरत घर में रहती है, हालांकि most families में होता नहीं है. Most families में ये होता है कि औरत घर पे भी रहती है और बाहर की भी करती है आजकल, especially in two earning member families. But even then the role divisions are very, very, very clear. You know, there is the male role and the female role. So if you don't want your children to grow up with gendered roles, and let's understand sex and gender, I think I want to do a little small exercise just to let you know sex and gender are two different things. Sex is biological. It is determined by the way I look. So we are 4 women here because we look like women. But this may or may not be our gender. So gender is determined by how we bring ourselves and what we decide we are going to be. So there can be a woman who decides I want to behave like an alpha male. So if the role model in the family is that of an alpha male, your children will grow up to be alpha males. They will have male characteristics. They will have male understanding of how work is to be done. They will grow up with the same levels of aggression. So we need to be clear that this is a time when we're all stuck together. We change this gendered roles. This is a very, very nice time for women and men to rethink their roles in their families and become role models for their children. So on this note, I'm going to bring Farzana in. बहुत serious बात हो गई. Farzana, can you come in and sing a song for us? And Gurleen, can you unmute?
Hello.
So Farzana is one of our social workers and she's a musician too. So she's going to help us to journey this today through a little bit of music so that we don't all become tense and worried and stressed and bored as we've seen some of us are. Okay, Farzana, over to you. We are all going to unmute our mics now.
Hello. Yeah. Am I audible to everyone?
Okay. Yes, Farzana, welcome.
Hello. Hi, everyone. So this song is a medley of a English and a Hindi song. So I hope this will help release some of the stress. When the night has come and the land is down and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as we stand कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए बिना सा तेरा मरतबा न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा बिना सा तेरा मरतबा ये चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ तुम मगर अंधेरों में न छोड़ना मेरा हाथ ये चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ तुम मगर अंधेरों में न छोड़ना मेरा न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी तुम्हारी सिवा बिना सा तेरा दवा Cause darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. 'Cause as long as you stand by me. Whenever you're in trouble, just stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Just as long as you stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me.
Wonderful, Farzana. Thank you
Thank you.
so much.
Wonderful, Farzana.
Thank you so much, Farzana. There is a Nazi, कोई सवाल था आपके पास?
There's this question from somebody that how to deal with anger management for a 4 to 5-year-old child.
Kavita and then Ruma.
Yeah.
And then if Farzana, if you want to say something, you can come in too.
See, a 4 to 5 year child who's showing anger, it's basically we have to find out when they are frustrated about something or when they are in confusion. Then they are tend to angry because they are unable to understand their own feelings, see what is going on with them right now. And since they are very young children, there is only 4 or 5 years, so they cannot even express in words what are happening. So most of their expression will come out in the form of an anger. So what I would suggest to find out first, you observe okay, what are the things which is going on in with the child, what is he doing for the whole day, and find out if there is any activity which he is doing or any behavior in the home which is actually troubling the child. Would help you to find out some cues how to deal with the anger also. And then talk to the child, whether if he wants to talk to you alone, then talk to the child alone. If he wants you to with your spouse also, both spouses can sit together and talk to the child and ask, and you can ask like this, is there anything which is bothering you, is there anything which you want to share with us, and listen it with an open mind so that the child would understand and express. He or she may not have words to express. Then you can also suggest, are you feeling irritated, or is there anything which is bothering you, कोई ऐसी बात है जो आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है घर में अभी, तो आप शेयर कर सकते हो. So when you give them the words to express their feeling, then they might be able to not angry on it and not be violent with the other people or not hitting and doing. And then you find out a plan for them, spend some quality. I hope everyone is anyways spending time, but some activities of his interest. Maybe he wants you to spend time only with him at the home or only with her at the home. क्योंकि हम और भी बहुत सारे काम में इन्वॉल्व है, जैसे मैक्सिमम सेट कि घर का बहुत सारा काम, जैसे फीमेल्स आर डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क एट होम, और हो सकता है इस टाइम पे यू गेट ऑल्सो टायर्ड बिकॉज दिस आर टाइम एंड यू डोंट हैव अदर हेल्प इन दी होम. तो हो सकता है कि वो सिर्फ चाह रहे हो कि आप उसके साथ थोड़ी देर बैठ के कुछ खेलो या आप पढ़ो, और यू कैन शेयर अ स्टोरी विथ हिम कि आप कैसे जो एंगर है तो उसको हेल्प कर सकता है रिड्यूस करने में.
इसी के relating एक और question है, then I'll come to Ruma ji.
Ruma, you might want to answer this.
I have 2 points to add to this. One is that it's important to know whether the anger that is that's evident, is it because of the current situation, or is it always there? If it's because of the current situation, which is of course because the children, I feel, are not getting enough time, not time, they're not getting space to burn out their energy. They're locked up in their houses, confined to their houses. So I was talking to a few young parents the other day, and I found that it may sound very weird if I'm sharing this with you. They've actually put dining chairs together and put, dupattas around it and making the little children jump across those. Yes, it messes up the house. The house looks weird, but the kids are getting rid of a lot of their energy, or they found other things. Another another young parent shared with me is that they're missing friends. Of course, because they're young, they're not able to express, as Kavita pointed out. Parents who said we've got a slot, 5 or 10 minutes slot where we do a video call with a couple of friends and they chat with their friends. I know that these two things.
Okay, so
there's another
we are
question.
talking about very small children ka anger, but I also wanted to point out जिनके पास adolescent बच्चे हैं उनके issues अलग होंगे और and a 4 and 5 year old के anger को समझना और deal करना शायद थोड़ा ज्यादा आसान है बनस्पत की जो थोड़े बड़े बच्चे हैं. So when they're adolescents, the hormones are running wild, the adrenaline is not being used up, so as a result there is a lot more frustration and anger that you may have to encounter, and therefore the way we deal with very young children and the way we deal with adolescents are going to be very different. So that's something that I think you need to keep in mind. Conversation is a must. So when you are closed to and in a confined space, it's most important to keep the conversation flowing and to increase our capacity of listening. कान हमारे एकदम elephant की तरह बड़े-बड़े होने चाहिए, because we have stopped listening. You see, we are all like this, like we are. So हम लोग music भी ऐसे सुनते हैं, हम लोग बात भी ऐसे करते हैं. So we have actually over the years closed our minds to listening. So when we are confined like this and everybody is under stress, everybody is having difficulties, everybody is having issues, हमारे कान इतने बड़े खुल जाने चाहिए. So let us open our ears and open our minds and start listening to what the children are saying. Actually listening, not hearing. Listening. There's a difference between hearing and listen. सुन लिया लेकिन सुना नहीं. तो अब सुनने की जरूरत हो गई है. अब सुन लीजिए, सुने कि वो क्यों अंडरलाइंग, जब सुनेंगे तो अंडरलाइंग इश्यूज हमको सुनाई देने लगेंगे. जो दिखता है वो हमेशा ऊपर से है और जो असल है वो नीचे से है. तो वो नीचे की बात, अंदर की बात को निकालने की और समझने की जरूरत है. So Nazi,
this was the next question, ki how to deal with the pre-teens and teens, how to deal with their anger.
So Kavita, I've already given my little point of view. I'm going to ask Ruma and Kavita, and then Farzana, if you have something to say based on your experience of now counseling so many adolescents, you might want to add in a little bit.
So should I go first?
Yes, Kavita.
Hanji Kavita, please.
So as Meenakshi ma'am has already pointed out, the time is very important कि जब हम listen करें. As one of my counselor colleague would always say, the difference between hearing and listening is when you hear only with ear. When you listen with ears and heart. So you have to open both your heart and your ears so that you listen what actually your children are trying to say to you. तो वहां पे बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे क्यूज आपको उनके बिहेवियर में मिलेंगे कि कब वो इरिटेट हो रहे हैं, मे बी विद द वॉइस, उनका टोन कैसा है, या आपने जिस टोन में उनसे बात किया, मे बी दे आर नॉट liking it. We also understand because you are also in the same situation where children are, and you are also getting irritated about certain things. So wahan pe a very patient listening would really help you to understand the anger that the children are facing. And again, I would say spend some quality time, even if it's only for 15 or 20 minutes. You talk to the children and ask and give them the words and some words to share their feelings also and express their anger with you, and listen it with an open mind. So this will really help you.
Okay. Ruma?
I think Kavita has pretty much covered the whole thing. So
Okay.
there's no.
Nazi, do you want to say something on this yourself?
No, there was another query. Somebody's written that we are not able to give time because of the house chores. So the child gets aggressive. Now, how to cope up with this?
So I will go first on this, and then that is we'll go back to the first question of when आया था ना कि हम बच्चों को chores में कैसे involve कर
Involve
सकते
करें,
हैं.
हाँ जी.
तो वही वाला सवाल है कि can we make new games? It is up to us. ना हमारे लिए imaginative होना बहुत जरूरी है. क्या घर के काम को हमारे पास पता नहीं किस किस के और स्क्रीन्स आ रहे हैं. अरव का स्क्रीन बार बार हमारे स्क्रीन पे आ रहा है. So I'm not able to, yeah. So it is very important to understand how we can become creative at this point of time to make house chores into games. भिंडी के लिए अगर छोटे बच्चे हैं तो भिंडी काटने के लिए आपको छुरी की जरूरत नहीं है, आप तोड़ सकते हैं. So it can become a game. We have to invent new games, because when they see that it is part of a game, then they will be involved in the chores. और सब पिज्जा बनाना अच्छी बात है, पर झाड़ू लगाने में भी मजा आ सकता है. So how do we make that into an enjoyable activity? और माँ सिर्फ झाड़ू लगाती है और बाप नहीं लगाता है, वो मुश्किल है. So on one day maybe it is the father and the son who do the झाड़ू, and another day it's the mother and the daughter who does the झाड़ू. One day it is the father and the son who does the bartan, another day it is the mother and the daughter who does the bartan, or mother and son who does the bartan, or father and so permutation combinations can be changed, and the gender roles can be redefined, and all of it can become a one big game. And if we make it into a fun activity, then it can work. If we make it into a chore, that's why I think the word chore should be taken away from this. Just call it an activity.
This can be.
It has to just be an activity जो हम लोग सब मिलकर मजे में कर रहे हैं. खाना बनना है तो हम सब मिलके बना रहे हैं, कोई कुछ कर रहा है, कोई कुछ कर रहा है. घर संभालना है तो सब मिलके कर रहे हैं. So it's a division of responsibilities, not chores. जब भी हम word chores use करते हैं ना, उसमें एक वो आ जाता है, क्या बोले, एक बंधन आ जाता है. It becomes almost forced. Chores in the word in itself, the chores means forced, it means uninteresting, it means it's a pain to do, it's something meant for other people and not for us. So Kavita and Ruma, I can see both of you have been writing things.
Yeah, I just have to add one point. See, I understand कि अभी सब लोग घर पे हैं और काम थोड़ा सा बढ़ भी गया है. In that you also find out कि which is the important work you have to do. Don't start with the new things also कि अभी मैं हूँ तो चलो आज ये cupboard भी, आज सारे cupboard एक साथ ही साफ करूँ. One thing at a time will go. So do things which are important only and which are needed at the house to keep the house clean and tidy. But उसके अलावा don't exert yourself also. And if you have got time, at that time don't think of अच्छा मेरे पास अभी आधा घंटा और बचा है तो मैं और थोड़ा काम कर लेती हूँ. आप काम तो कर लेंगे, but then you will not have time to spend with your children. So do only that work which is important and which is required, not more than that. बाकी काम धीरे धीरे होता रहेगा. We have whole life to work and clean and do everything with the home. So that's one point I would suggest, so that you have more time with home.
Ruma?
Same thing. We need to prioritize what we do, and let's not be perfectionists and look for that speck of dust. Doesn't matter अगर एक दिन घर में dusting नहीं होती है, छोड़ दो. Spend that time.
So that brings me to the other point that I wanted to make before we run out of time is this is also a time for us to understand that what we want to make of our children. The level of pressure we put on the children to become perfect, maybe this is a time to understand that we don't need to. अब जैसे Zoom classes हो रही हैं, the teachers themselves don't know how to do Zoom classes. अब हमको इतनी टेंशन पेरेंट्स को है और हमारे पास इतने क्वेरीज आते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे फेल हो जाएंगे, वो मेरा बच्चा फर्स्ट बॉय है, अब ये जूम क्लासेस के वजह से वो फर्स्ट नहीं आ पाएगा. मेरी बेटी 100 on 100 लाती है मैथ्स में, ये जूम क्लासेस के वजह से और ये सब लॉकडाउन के वजह से वो उसको 100 on 100 नहीं मिलेगा. So let us also, this is a, like I said, time to step back and see what do we want for our children. Do we want them to be just happy? A coronavirus should tell us that we should be just happy, alive, healthy. So let us not want everything from our kids कि वो घर का काम भी कर लें, जूम भी क्लासेस कर लें, 100 on 100 भी लेके आ जाएं, और वो सब, क्योंकि टाइम ऐसा है कि वो they will be stressed. They are, and remember, our stress, our anxiety always gets transferred to the children. Whether we like it or not, it gets transferred. So my job anxiety will get transferred to my child. My lack of my fear of the future is going to get transferred to the child. एक तो प्लीज कोरोना वायरस के बारे में इतना देखना बंद कर दे टेलीविजन पे, और उसके बारे में बात करना बंद कर दें, क्योंकि वो एक डर जो हमारी फियर है उनको फियर ऑफ डेथ बना देगी. They will start fearing death because that's a conversation that we are all having. The television is beaming, the newspapers are beaming, we are talking on the phone with our friends. Lockdown, infection, death, ventilators. So I mean, of course we must give them information, but let us not make our children fearful. Let us not make them afraid of the future. Kavita,
this was also another question we had, how much information we should share with our children.
Kavita.
So I would suggest with children, share only which is important to keep them safe. क्या precautions उनको लेने चाहिए, hand wash करना है, mask पहनना है, what are the things that they should be doing, that is enough, more than enough for them. If the children are very young, उनको सिर्फ ये बताना है कि हाथ धोने हैं, so that it is clean, आप safe रहें. और even for the parents also, I would suggest कि they should also not be involved only in corona news around, because there are other news, there are other things happening in the world. They can read good articles, they can read good editorials on the newspaper apart from the corona also. So बच्चों के लिए उतना ही काफी है, जो उनको सेफ और प्रिकॉशंस जो लेने हैं उतना बताइए. उन्हें बताइए कि हाँ ठीक है, हो रहा है, दिस इज अभी लॉकडाउन है, इतने समय का है, जो जरूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन है. नॉट ऑल द इन्फॉर्मेशन लाइक आई हैव बीन हियरिंग कि इस वाले कंट्री में इतने केसेस हो गए, इतने लोग मर गए, दिल्ली में इतने केसेस आ गए, जयपुर में इतने केसेस आ गए. So this is the constant talk in the families nowadays. कितने cases हो गए? I would also suggest that when children are around, parents should also not discuss this with in front of the children also, because the numbers just get into their heads. Oh, 2,000 cases has come up, 3,000 cases has come up. Italy में जुलाई तक बंद कर दिया है, यहाँ पे इतनी दिन बंद कर दिया है. So this will all add up to their anxieties. They are already anxious, and this will keep adding to their anxiety now.
Nazi, did you want to say something?
No, I've just received a message that's it's a suggestion that there's another aspect of binding ties online of kids with your relatives who are located in other cities and meet rarely in the routine busy schedule. So
yeah,
somebody suggested that this can also be done.
We'll come to that later.
Yeah.
As to how we can best use the time. Did you want to say something on this subject, Nazi?
No, not on this subject. I just wanted to read this question.
Okay. Ruma, did you want to say something? No. So the next thing that we want you to quickly write, and that is one, if everyone can just put down. Kavita, you had a thought, right?
Yeah. So what I want you all to write, like 2 wishes that you always wanted to do when you were in your busy schedule, going for the office, doing the chores, when the students were going to the school, fathers were going out to work. So at that, we always have a list of wishes कि मेरे पास time होता तो मैं ये करती, मेरे पास time होता तो मैं ये करती. So I want you all to write 2 of those wishes right now. Everyone write 2 wishes.
And we must make it a little quick now.
Yeah.
You can start sending your messages to us.
It could be anything that you wanted to do when you think you अभी time नहीं मिल रहा है, मैं otherwise time होता तो मैं करती. It could be anything.
So somebody's written travel, which is still not possible.
Which is not.
Yes, you can travel in time. You can travel, use online maybe this is a wonderful fun activity you can do with your children. Sit down in front of the computer and start looking at, agar humko travel karna hota, to let us look at information, a game that you can play on with countries, what are the visiting places there, उसमें क्या history है, उसके मजेदार चीजें क्या है, उसका खान पान क्या है, and you can actually travel virtually. So use this time to travel virtually and do it with your children and your family and make it a fun activity. Another one?
Sleep late and watch senseless TV.
That you can do now anyway. I'm sure most of us are doing it.
That was mine and I'm doing it.
And somebody has written, yeah, doing armchair tourism. So that is also wonderful.
Perfect.
You relax now. You have time to relax also.
What
learn to play guitar.
Oh, you can do that online.
Yeah,
and
that can be done.
Again, it can be done with your children. Right. And your maybe husband and wife can bond together by learning to play the guitar. And Farzana can help you hold lessons also.
Yeah, I think I would like to add something here. I think this is the only time where parents and children are getting to spend so much time with each other that you can actually realize your children's potential. बहुत सारे बच्चों में इतना पोटेंशियल होता है कि उनको हार्नेस करने का कभी टाइम या मौका नहीं मिला बिकॉज ऑफ स्टडीज एंड ट्यूशन एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, you can take this time to understand them and to understand what potential, what they are interested in, किसमें वो lead हो सकते हैं आगे जाके. So that will really help them in the future also.
Great. Anything else?
So would have enjoyed reading lots of books.
Yes, so now they have time to enjoy reading whatever books. And there is a great link which I shared with Hinakshi ma'am yesterday also. And it has somewhere around lakhs of books which are available for free for PDF for 1 week. So you can just download and start reading.
So we don't have much time, right? Nazim, you're finishing. So I'm going to ask Farzana to end with a song, and it's called Heal the World. Please sing along and have fun. Are we doing Heal the World, Farzana?
Yeah.
And we'll all sing along with the
please do. Please
mic
do.
muted or unmuted as you wish. Because that's what we need to do. We need to heal ourselves, heal our loved ones. And yes, this is the time. One of the creative things that you can do as a suggestion was that we can actually line up and do Zoom meetings with all our family members across the world and get to know them better. And please call up make your children call up their grandparents. Please do that. I make my children call up the grandparents. अगर वो हमारे पास नहीं है, अकेले रह रहे हैं, old people, the bonding, this is a time to create a bonding between grandchildren and grandparents also. And Farzana, can you come in front a bit, darling, before you? Yeah. Because आवाज नहीं आती नहीं तो ठीक है. I hope if you people are enjoying the music, please show us by show of hands.
There's a place in your heart, and I know it is love. And this place could be much better tomorrow. And if you really try, you find there's no need to cry. In this place, you find there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there. If you find enough for the living, make a little space, make a better place, heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and for the entire human race. There are people dying
good. Very great song, Farzana.
Thank you, Farzana. That was
Thank you. It was
amazing.
great. Great.
So it was a pleasure having you all. Thank you so much for taking out your valuable time and being with us. Thank you, Ruma ji. Thank you, Inakshi, Farzana, Kavita, and thanks to our audience. Thank you so much, everyone. And we are always welcome to ideas and suggestions. If you have any ideas, suggestions, feedback regarding this session, please contact us either on Facebook or Insta, or if you have my phone number, if you have the Maja House phone number, please do let us know. And thank you, and stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Let us heal the world together and make it a better place and teach our children to do the same. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone.